So how can you transfer screen recordings from your iPad to a PC? Let's explain this right now. Let's get started. So there are more ways how you're going to do this, of course. The most common methods include using cloud services or local storage. So let me cover everything. At first, on your iPad, you can download some cloud services, like you can download Google Drive, sign into the app with your Google account, and have this cloud storage ready for you. This also applies to other platforms like Dropbox or even OneDrive from Microsoft, right? It all works pretty much the same, where you just upload the file from the gallery into the app, and then you'll be able to access it through the same platform but on a PC. Pretty self-explanatory. But another very cool method of doing this is by utilizing a middle part, like a storage device. And this might be a USB stick or SSD drive, and even SD cards is going to work if you have the proper connection ready. So you can essentially connect these devices through a cable to the USB port of the iPad. The Files app, as you can see, is going to recognize that a new storage device has been added, and then you can move over into the Photos app, locate your screen recordings, tap on Share, Save to Files, and then choose the location to be the external drive. And essentially, you can import all of these things like your videos and files into an external storage, which then can be connected to any computer, whether it's a Mac, PC, or whatever, because you have it stored on the little USB or SSD drive. So that's like a very useful method as well. Let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides similar to this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.